Alright guys, so today I'll be running through how to set up your MyTrade account. Now this account will be the account that you use for trades. If you've already been trading before, you might already have your preferred broker. So without further ado, let me get into it and show you how to set up this account. Download the app on your phone, or whether you downloaded the app on the laptop. So you're going to be asked to log in. So for this one, I already have a login, so I'm going to start a sign up, create a whole new account so I can guide you through all the process. So click next. Just going to use a random email. Let's see if I can use an email that I haven't used before. Let me have a look. So I found a random email that I'm not currently using, so I'll sign up. Then you be asked to create a password, so I just create a random password. And then this device has been registered for MyTrader. Use multiple account on the same device effect. I'll just press continue to sign up. So I can guide you through the whole process. Alright, now just got to verify the email. So once your email has been verified, click done. Then it'll put you in to a random account. You're just a step away from embarking your journey. Let's get started. Alright, so first of all, it won't let you open a live account. Let's see. Would it let me open a live account? Yeah. So it won't let you open a live account unless you've filled out all this information. So right now this is a demo account. So for people who are starting out, for people who are just getting into trading, I would recommend using a demo account. So they give you a balance of 50,000, which is fake money. So, and you can place real trades. So all these are real charts. You know, you just, whatever you make is, you know, it's just not, it's, you can see there, 50K, congratulations, you have, you know, this start a demo account. So all of this, whatever trades you make, is not, none of this money is going to go to you. Like, this is fake money. So it's called paper trading because you're not actually using real money. Now, you can still participate in the actual market and, you know, do Forex, whatever, crypto. So all of these are still live charts. It just means you're using fake money. Anyway, pretty sure I've made that point clear. So now, to use a real live account, you have to verify, right? So this is a process where I will show you what you have to do. So now, let's see if we'll bring that screen up again. I had two screens, which I'm not sure where the other one's gone. So given name, Roman, optional, Aranja, got next, birth date, you know, whatever you really, whatever your birth date is. That's not my real birthday, but anyway, residential address, you know, whatever it is. Just gonna put a random address. So go next. So all of these, so what do you want, a standard account or a pro account? So to be eligible for a pro account, you need to have like at least 200K, which is not gonna happen. I mean, if you have 200K, then sure, go for it. But for now, we're just going to do standard account. So open a standard account, and it should be the same process on your phone. So you fill out all your employment status. Let's say employed. You can just pick whatever, really. Let's say technology. Your position, let's say just employee, and your income. You can put it whatever it is. So most people are gonna be here, so let's put it there. A value of savings, and you can just, most people are normally gonna be here, so put that there as well. So all of this doesn't really matter. Like, it's just I guess it's just information they want to know. Annual investment, you can just say 10K. You can put 50, just whatever you think you might be putting in. So most people, it's just 10K. Primary source of income, we just say employment. Can you currently pay your bills and debts? Yeah, yes. So this is pretty much just to make sure you're not gonna go broke if you start trading. So I guess they're just trying to verify that you know what you're doing. So CDFs, this means contract for difference. Now, what what trading is, for us people, all these charts, we're just basically trading an agreement. So whenever we place a trade on the chart, like let's say, for this one, we press a buy trade, whatever position we want to put, we're basically saying to MyTrade, all right, I bet you this amount of money that this chart is gonna go up or go down to this number, and if I'm right, then you pay me. If I'm wrong, then I pay you. So pretty much what happens is they take the opposite side of your trade. So whatever trade you make, they're always taking the opposite side of it, if that makes sense. So they're always taking the opposite side of a bet. So it's like if you bet with your mate $20 that you can do a backflip, and your mate just takes that, he has to take the other side, like you can't do a backflip. So pretty much that's how it works. So this one will just be asking you questions about maybe whether you understand what CDFs are. So for this question, it says, what is your main reason for trading CDFs? Speculating, making a profit by trading on price and changes in market, which is normally the right one. Hedging, protecting losses so they're pretty much trying to see how intelligent you are. So none of these are pretty much correct. So CDFs, no risk. It is a risk. It is high risk trading. It is leverage. It is protecting your potential. So pretty much this is what the answer they're looking for. So click that one. What features or properties do you need the most in CDF trading? Access to global financial market, speculating on short-term market movements, trading with margin and leverage, high risk. So pretty much it's not this. What features and properties do you need the most in CDF trading? Pretty sure it's this, margin and leverage. I'll click that, but if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. General approach to trading CDFs is day trader positions, hold position for up to a month. So pretty much it's normally going to be day trading. Risk appetite describes your approach to CDF in trading. I actively seek high risk opportunities to make high returns. I enjoy trading and can afford to risk the money I deposit to trade. So you pretty much want to click that. How would you react if one of your trade was in a losing position? Positive, I'm comfortable with trading. I won't close my account immediately and stop trading. So it would just be the first one. Risk tolerance, preparedness to bear and financial market risks associated with investing, including possibilities of incurring investment losses. So risk tolerance. I am highly tolerant and financial and fully prepared to accept the potential investment losses. Yep. I have sufficient. So no. I don't require fines. I use trading to cover my. No, you don't want to click that. I'm not prepared for trading. No. So it's obviously going to be the first one. Most of these are pretty simple. Who monitors my trades and equity? It's me. When you trade a CDF instrument, what is the spread? So the spread is the difference between the price you buy at and what the price is actually at. So it's the first one. So the difference between the buy price and the sell price quoted for an instrument. So basically, however much they give you. What are CDFs? So they are contract for difference that allow traders to speculate on the price movements of various financial markets without actually owning underlying assets. So like I said before, it's just you're trading, you're making a bet with, for example, MiTrade, that the chart is going to move in whatever direction you speculate, and once you make that bet, you're not actually participating in the market, because to actually participate in the forex market, to be example, you have to be like transferring millions from AUD to USD to buy something in America, if that makes sense. So we don't actually participate in the market. We just basically make bets against the MyTrade. So it's going to be the first one. Who is responsible for adding funds into your account to avoid falling below the minimum margin requirements? I'm responsible, obviously. What happens if your account balance drops too low? The broker adds more money? No, they never give you any money. Your trades stay open forever? No. If your balance drops too low, then you're losing money. So to some point where you can get liquidated. Liquidated means you've lost all your money and you've gone, they had to close your trade. You might have to add more money. So that's the one. What does a price chart show? Historical price movements over time, future price predictions, expert opinions on trading. So it's normally history. So there you go. What is the main risk of holding a CDF trade overnight? The market might change while you're not watching and you could lose money. Yes. You trade automatically cancelled with no loss? Nope. The broker guarantees you position, so it's the first one. Which of the following is a common risk in CDF trading? So market volatility means how quickly the price can change. So you pretty much need to be looking at your phone or looking at the chart most of the time, but you shouldn't freak out as well. So that one. What is a common cost in CDF trading? Spread and commission fees, monthly? No. So it's normally this one. When you deposit 1,000 and trade an instrument with leverage of 1 to 10, what is the maximum leverage amount you can trade with? So it's normally 10,000. So 1 to 10, I can check here actually. Let's see. So what's this? 1 to 30. So I'm pretty sure it's 10,000. Anyway, oh shit. Anyway, I clicked on a answer that I didn't even know what it was. Dear client, before using MyTrade, you're required to click and acknowledge. Okay. Did I even get that last question right? They could have failed me because I didn't get that last question right. Anyway, put a random phone number in. Give me 1 sec. Alright, so once you get verified, you now be greeted with this screen, which I'll just show here in a sec. Give me 1 second. So you now be greeted with the trade screen. I'll show you all the markets first. So on the phone, it'll look exactly the same. I'll show you what it looks like on the phone. But basically, the only ones that we're really going to focus on in this community, I might bring shares into it later, but it's mainly Forex and crypto. So these are the main things that we're going to focus on. But other than that, I might look into shares a bit later on. I'm going to start learning a bit more about shares. So now, basically, I'm assuming you've already done the baby pips course on what Forex is. So I don't have to explain too much about that. So it's a currency. As you can see, I've already put in a little bit of money, and I'm making a trade at the moment. But yeah, so once you log on, let's just switch back to the demo account. That way I can show you exactly what trades look like. But other than that, once you log on, once you get verified, and yeah, it's up to the next step, which I will explain